As a double income, no kids couple or DINK, ano nga ba yung wisest way to manage your finances?
When it comes to finances, ang masasabi ko dyan, maximize your dinkira habang kayong dalawa palang mag-asawa. Be wise where you allot your money. Aside from savings and emergency fund, it's also wise to spend your money in properties.
I agree. And speaking of properties, di ba may nakita tayong magandang property located in Bacoor, Cavite. Sobrang ganda ng place kung mahilig ka sa nature. It's the Garden City by Golden Bay Land Holdings. Actually, aside sa location, isa rin siya sa lowest priced condominium in the area.
May generous floor area pa.
Pero yung pinaka nagustuhan mo dito yung accessibility kasi may transportation, may nearby malls, nearby hospital, and markets sa paligid.
Talagang it's your ultimate urban paradise in the urban core of the South Cavite.
At alam mo ba, love, they don't actually have to worry about the access to different areas like Metro Manila, Tagaytay, Laguna, kasi nandyan na ang Cavitex at Calax. Marami din magandang amenities such as heated lap pool, indoor and outdoor gym, gardens, at marami pang iba.
Siyempre, it's better to see it yourself. Kaya if you're also interested, you can visit the Garden City Sales Pavilion. See you there!